birds have captivated the human imagination. They have inspired us to take to the skies in the form of planes, gliders, and microlights. With grace and often with vibrant colour, birds are nature's masterpieces, inhabiting almost every corner of our planet Earth, from the Arctic to the warmest of rainforests. Almost 10,000 species of bird call our planet home.
Hey! There you go. Good boy. Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to the Dubai Quick Pass Bird Show. My name is Sid. That's the handsome DJ Cast. And this is the white person Kaka 2. His name is Mambo. Everybody say hello to Mambo.
Hello, Mango.
Now, Mambo will say hello to you. Mambo, let's say hello. Hello from it. They come in 4 different colors. But are you excited? Excited. The 4 colors are pink, grey, black, and this is white. Let's say bye-bye to him.
Bye-bye.
Alright, home sweet home, Zaki. Thank you for joining us. Okay, so tell me, are you ready for the show?
Yeah.
There we go. Welcome to the skyline of Bird Wall. Right. This is the home. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
We will join us back in a while with more and more action. Friends, we're going to go around the world to meet different kinds of birds. The first bird going to come is going to be all the way from Africa. This is called the red hornbill. Very small boy but very fast in catching the food in the air. No, not this one. This is not Reno. The bird is there. There he comes. His name is Pip.
In the wild, hornbills love to catch flying insects. But this time we are going to demonstrate his catching skills. Get ready. 1, 2, and let's go! Let's do it one more time, a little bit higher. Come on, ready, and here you go!
This is how amazing it is. Now everybody turn around and look at Trina. She will show you what you're going to do. Hold the food in your hand and the bird will take it from you like that. Now we need 2 of you to feed the bird. Who wants to feed? Raise your hand. Okay, you can try, but I'm calling for the next bird. She can try for this bird. Hold it up. And please stand there. She will guide you. Please take your seat. Yeah, okay, it's okay. You can try there. Okay, hold it softly. Let's go. Bravo! Thank you for joining us. We have one more gentleman. Thank you so much. You can see the hopplers are only found in black and white in color.
These birds live in groups of 5 to 10 individuals, including adults and juveniles.
That's right. Thank you, Tim. Holly,
Higher than 50, below 90.
isn't that too high?
It's okay.
Give me a number above 50. This girl. Okay, she says 80.
80.
You are very clever, right?
Yes.
You didn't tell me 4 plus 80 is equal to what?
Hold on.
What are you doing? Hey, come on, you're using a calculator, bro. You're cheating.
480.
480.
Final answer. See?
You heard that?
I said yes.
They say wrong.
Wrong.
Who is the teacher?
Teacher,
My teacher also comes from where?
bring the doctor.
Oh! Hi! My teacher from Korea.
So we are the same school.
Did I get it? That's right.
Okay, tell me your answer.
Come on, so simple, bro. The kids also will tell you 89.
89? Ask our teacher.
Yeah, 89. Teacher, my teacher says 48. I'm proud of my teacher.
See, look at them. Why they're laughing on us?
I think so because you and teacher are wrong. That's
Okay,
right.
why don't you ask them who is right?
Okay, how many of you say 480 is the right answer? Raise your hands up.
I will give you a prize.
Nobody? You are wrong. 89. Come on, hands up. For the prize. Anybody for 48? Oh, is this your teacher?
You'll get picture later.
Okay, what is the right answer then?
34.
What's your name? She says 36, bro.
I heard that.
84. Alright, we go with 84. Alright, everybody clap your hands for Tom. He was the right answer. Alright, he's at number 8. But we're gonna keep going. We go for the next one, which is going to be number 4. That means 84. You are right. How? 84. Hey, come on, you're cheating. They are both cheating. Okay, that was in numbers. Now we're going to show you how good is he in spelling. Everybody, keep your eyes on the DJ. He's going to show point out to 3 pictures up there above his head. We got 3 pictures of different kinds of animals. We got a falcon, a cat, and a camel. Tell me, which one do you want?
Camel.
Okay, we'll go with both. How many loves falcon? Raise your hands up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many of you want the animal called cat? You want all of them? Okay, how many wants camel? Oh, falcon wings. Now can anybody tell me how do we spell falcon? You know it? Please stand up and tell it to all of us. What is that? He said G-A-L-C-O-N. Okay, he said F-A-L-C-O-N. Now we're going to wait and watch if Mr. Tom can pick up the word to spell the word called falcon. This is the 3rd largest macaw and the second one is the green wing, but the first largest macaw is known as the blue macaw, the hyacinth. Alright everybody, let's give it up for Tom. Come on, we're looking for the word called falcon in the order. We got letter O. O stands all the way for ooh la la. That's right, so we're going to keep going forward with the alphabet. These are letter N for New York City. Letter L, talking about some love. We got letter F, talking about his friend, other birds. Ready for more and more? We got letter A, his favorite city, Abu Dhabi. And what are we looking for? Letter C, talking about some share. Bravo! He's got it. F-A-L-C-O-N is how we spell falcon. Okay, friends, tell me, how many of y'all love magic over here? So many, perfect. We're gonna go with a magic trick now. Friends, it's... I never asked a friend to have magic glass. We're gonna do it one more time. He loves it. That's where it's going, John. Hey, when you start the hyper, John. Say bye-bye. Good night, John. Thank you for joining us. Okay, the next part of the show is one of my favorite part. I want somebody from you to come and join me. There's a small bird who will come and walk in your hand. But for this one, only the elders can join me. Okay, 1 and 2, perfect. Put your hand this way. Okay, friends, watch carefully. We're going to call one of the most amazing birds. He's going to land, walk and take the money from Sir Anish. Alright, when I say 3, I want you all to shout Aladdin. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Here comes Aladdin. This is a beautiful sun, Konya. He's going to pick up the money and he's going to fly home. What happened? No. He will get the money back. Alright, Aladdin, come on, it's time to return the money back to Anish. Come on, show them how good are you. Ready? Oh, here we go. Aladdin, give the money back. There you are. Everybody clap your hands for him and Sir Anish will be a part of the show. Thank you. So, please come.
Check the money.
Yes, but this time, the money should be a little higher. Just raise your hand if you know it, you will come and take the money. What's your good name? Okay, there we go. Ready? Everybody, it's time to call my favorite bird. His name is Alibaba. This Alibaba, the twins brothers, is going to pick up the higher money. He's going to fly home and never going to come back. This is how we collect our salary. Okay, we are just kidding. It's time to return the money back there. We're going to reach out, but before he returns the money, I will tell you what's going to happen. It's one of our trainers' birthday and we're giving lots of gift vouchers. The person who played yesterday got a 500 dirham gift voucher to shop some gold. I don't know whatever the person did. If you are lucky, you might get double money or the gift voucher. It depends on the trainer and on the board. Raise your hand. Let's do it. All right, Alibaba, come on up. Whoa! He also wins a gift voucher. We have a go gift voucher number 9. Let's see what he's got. Open it up and tell us what's inside. It looks like a check. Oh, what is that? I want to see what is that. Okay, let's read. Alibaba says no return, no money exchange. Thank you for your kindness. Hey! Alibaba, come on, we have to give the money back to gentlemen.
We have to negotiate.
That's right. We gotta negotiate. Give the money back and show everybody how amazing you are. There you are with the 200 dirhams. Everybody clap. He gave the interest back, 5 dirhams. Alibaba. Yeah, he's the real Alibaba. Alright, yeah, just kidding. It's time to call it for the final time. Raise your hand. Alibaba, time to return the money back to gentlemen. There you are. Everybody give it up for him. Okay, take this. You're going to fly back to your mama. So thank you. We appreciate your hand. There we go. Okay, here they are. Now who can tell me who is the boy and who is the girl among them? This is the boy. High five. She guessed it right. The green one is always the boy and the red one is always the girl. Eddie and Patsy, let's go! Eclectus parrots are very famous and popular in Guinea and there are 10 different species of Eclectus parrots. And they love to eat fruits and vegetables just like us. But the winner is the boy Eddie! Give it up for Patsy also. You also with Patsy. Thank you for joining us. Hope you know. Kids, how many of y'all love to watch cartoons over here? Even I love to watch cartoon a lot. How about you?
Me too.
You like cartoon, huh?
Yes.
Which is your favorite cartoon?
Frozen.
Even I like Frozen a lot.
Do you like Frozen?
Okay, the next bird joining us is coming from the movie called Rio. Have you seen the movie Rio? Yes. She is a female red-billed toucan. There she is.
Red.
You can see how amazing is the toucans. Now friends, the toucans cannot fly for a long distance because they got a very short wings. They can only fly like 30 to 40 meters at a time from perch to perch. And toucans can be any multicolor bell, but the most attractive toucan is the Toko toucan because those toucans have an orange color bell. They look very attractive. Aria is also attractive. She's got 3 color bell, that's yellow, red and black. This time she's going to come down to a trainer and play her favorite game called the Ping Pong Tong. Hit it. Now we're going to give the ball a small ball and she has to drop it in the basket on the table. Everybody go on, give it up for Rio. Ping Pong and Tong. You can see the bell is almost the half size of a body. Now many of them, they don't call this the bell of the bird, they call it the beak of the bird. Alright, it's time to fly back to the bird. It's almost the half size of the bird, of the body of the bird. Say bye-bye to Rio. Thank you, sweetheart, for joining us. You're gonna go home. Home sweet home with your daddy. Coming up, now it's gonna be the orange-winged Amazon parrot. Now these parrots, they like to use a lot of props. One of them is the hula hoop. There you go. We're going to place it for you. I'm going to show you how you can do it. There she comes. Her name is Neetu. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, now I'm going to hold the ring up there. We're going to show you what Neetu can do. Can you just step here, please? Are we ready? Okay. 1, 2, bravo! Now I need 2 friends to hold the ring. Can you hold it for me? After her, you can join. Okay, hold it straight and strong. We're going to do it in 3. 1, 2. Oh, beautiful. Come, please hold the ring. Hold it straight, yeah? All right, ready to pull up one more time? Bravo! Thank you so much. You can see how amazing she is. One more. Who wants to try? Okay, please come. So you're going to step here if you don't mind. Please come. Okay, come, sweetheart. Please step over here and hold the ring straight up like this, yeah? Alright? Me too, let's do it one more time. Let's say hold it straight, yeah, that's right. Alright, pull it up. Hey, what happened, sweetheart? Now these ones, they like to play all the time, a lot. You can see how they play. First is going up, it's gonna pull it up straight. Ready? Okay, 1, 2, and go! She is in the play mode right now. Alright friends, if we're talking about the species of the birds, we got 10,000 different living species of birds in the world. Thank you so much for joining us. Very good. Thank you so much for your help.
Thank you, bye.
Friends, Kennedy coming all the way from Africa. Now, to play this game, I need all of your help. When I say 3, I want to shout Maggie, her name, and she will see the reaction of her. Ready? 1, 2, 3!
Maggie!
Wow, she's got an amazing skill to catch the food in the air like a bullet. One more time. 1, 2, 3.
Maggie!
Awesome. I just told you the humbugs only found black and white in color. She is still a baby. She's only half meter and they can grow up to 2 meters long. Bye bye Maggie. Now some of them say these birds, they look like baby dinosaurs. The face. We're gonna pick it up and put it into that space. Recycling is very important. Good boy! You can see how the bird is cleaning the place up. One more message from him of saving some money. Saving money is really important for the future. We got 4 points. He will show us what we're going to do. We're going to pick it up one by one and put it in the big can. That's right. There you are. Now you can see how the birds can learn and perform so many things. This time, he will show you his acting skills. Okay, gentlemen in the center in the green, can you please stand up in your place, please? Yes. Okay, when I say 3, I want to shoot him. Yeah? Bang, bang. And then you will see what he's going to do. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. Bang, bang. Alas. Oh! He's gone down. What is he doing? He's showing his acting skills. He shot him down one. Thank you for joining us. There we go. Everybody give it up for him. Okay. We're going to play the main event of the show now, where 2 Mamelons will play a basketball race against each other. Red team versus the blue team. Over here, friends, you all have to select your team, red or blue, and support the birds. Who wants to support the red team?
Red!
Wow. Who wants to support the blue team? Blue will win, I know. Hey, want to go? one? Red or blue?
Red!
Huh?
Red!
Anybody saying blue in the crowd? Which team win, red or blue? Okay, we will ask the judge. Which team win, red or blue? Blue, right? Okay, we will have one more round, the final race. Let's see who wins the final race. That was just a trial round. Team blue, come on, we have to win. Cheer loudly. 1, 2, go! Team blue win! Huh? Why it's okay? What happened? Hey, this was the final, not tomorrow final. My team wins. Okay, you can see how they're playing as brothers, just like one family. Now friends, we're going to introduce you to the last parrot of our show. There is something very special about the parrot coming, the yellow double-headed Amazon parrot. Now this is a talking parrot. He's going to come now, his name is Abu, and he's going to talk to all of you. Now Abu has a policy. When he says hello, he wants you to say hello back to him. So he will keep talking. If you don't talk, he will also not talk. This is Abu, the amazing bird, and the Einstein of the rainforest. Okay, let's do it, Abu. Come on.
Abu, you say hello to everybody, Abu. Let's say hello.
Hello, Abu.
One more, say hello.
Hello!
You can say hello, Abu. Say Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay. Next say hello Hindi. Abu say namaste. Say hello Hindi, namaste.
Namaste!
He just woken up, so it will take him a little time. Alright, come on, Abu.
Okay, you ask everybody, how are you?
We are fine.
Thank you. Say good morning.
He's eating.
Let me eat.
Say good morning.
Good morning.
Now good afternoon.
Yeah, it's good morning for him.
Okay. You try to copy the cat sound. What the sound of a cat? How about cat? Cat sound of a cat. One more. Okay. Last one. What? He can sing a happy birthday song. Okay, happy birthday to you.
Abu! You can see how amazing and fantastic they are. Alright friends, now is the most amazing part of the show. Now when you can take pictures with the real birds, I'm going to show you how. This is position number 1. You can hold the real birds in your hand. You can see how excited are the kids. Yes, let me tell you. This is position